Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on notification history in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for our notifications options? We have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Notifications menu here, and here we have Advanced Settings. Here it is, Notification History. When we open this menu, we have our checkbox. To turn notification history on, we simply tap it once, and now our notifications will be, as you can see here. Back out, no need to save. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.